Hello guys. Yeah, I hope you guys are hearing me properly. Now we can give me a thumbs up so I can sound clearly. I'm Strat. Okay, I'm Strat Jasi. What's your real name, bro? Is it Omar or what? I'm Strat. I don't know. I think it's Omar. Jasi. Can you type your real name? Please, even I'm older, so I don't know your name. I guess I get confused sometimes. Can you now come with clearly? Can I get a yeah, okay, cool. Mohammed Ko is perfectly clear. That's a good thing. I appreciate that, Mohammed. Mr. Kamara. I think you are in New York, right? Mr. Esa. How you doing, man? You should bring me to QTV one day, huh? Alhamdulillah, Mr. Bajo, yo. Ibrahim, Famoketa. It's been a minute, huh? Okay, it's been a minute. Hope everything is okay with you guys, huh? Very nice. Yeah, that's good. Okay, that's good. I appreciate everyone for tuning in. It's always a valuable time. I'll cut time and come and interact. It's highly appreciated. I know we have varying schedules. Mola cool mantra. Hey, Ips Famakeda. My Seattle brother. First, you back in Texas or what? Alhamdulillah. Yeah, I'm doing good, bro. Boy, be like, Bijande. Mr. Esa, Famokeda. How is it? I don't know if you're Olympia or Pialop, one of these places, huh? Or even, I think you were somewhere in the south. Fenda. Nawek came through, man. Oh, okay, Evie. So you went back to Texas. Okay, that's good. That's good. I just said, Diana, Candia is too much. Okay, Jaka Kandi back out. Was never my thing, you know. Okay, it was never my thing. Oh, yeah, Olympia, exactly. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, good. Okay, that's good. Hey, Nafi Drame. Okay, I'm falling, sister. How you doing, Nafi? It's been a minute. Alrighty, good. It's good to have you guys, man. Like I said, I think this morning I made a post to call. I'll be coming on live to hold some discussions, kachal, about a whole lot of issues. There's gonna be a sort of a long. Hurricane! Wow. I hope you guys are fine. Yeah. So, like I said, be someone nga post kelo nko haga for mena ka nganyo kajani jan demanding regards to so many issues that have been going on within the UDP, but the entire issue from Yajibe is a Gambian matter. You understand? Because whatever happens in UDP, it has that broad effect across the country. Because maybe UDP is a Gambian party, and then we are all part of the Gambian fabric. Yeah, well, so Kujamal will be caring recently, so for the past. Go MB. Look at it. Don't distract me, please. I don't have time. Stop. Sorry. Yeah. So, Kujamal al Bekering, the Amosiata, it's been going on since last. I think December of this year is when things started getting flooded. Kulbe ko started ka wajabi wo time wala. Kulbe kering mo sifa siata diamo siata, and model be during. As even before I came on live, I heard calls. Oh please, kana nyini jabi, kana keteng, kana film for ten don't go on live. People, yeah, they think I'm gonna be here. I understand. Kana jang kana mo attack wala ka mo neng wala ka kuke mo la man ko jama nying. That's not never gonna happen. I'm not the kind of person. Bari abekala kacha frank kachalti tonya fo nyoy. Kumo dol te diala, kumo dol be bambana demanding, bara be mumneting pour nga nyo so hakilola. Yes, I hear you, Mr. Cisse. That's what I'm reiterating now. So just, I also tilola ntamera diamo lela. Namanang lose my cool. So I know what you guys are saying, your finger, but it's okay. It's all right. Okay. Sometimes it can be a bit disrespectful. You know. That's not my. I told maybe you guys don't know me, but that's not my history. Okay. They have always talk responsibly with facts and in many and the follow. So let's just leave it at that. I'll try not to lose my my chain of thought here, please. Alenso hakilo rek alenso lamero la. Mo jama bena komi is gonna be like ngana jang nyo nyaka kanyo kawdete bari wata kala jang. What's gonna happen? Shit. Melv, I'm trying to. I'm gonna be mom. I'm really trying to be you know, to reach Angbali is a sensitive matter. I have to treat it, you know, in Mandinka. I know I'm really trying my best to interject and put some, you know, make it a much broader perspective, you know, much broader audience. But unfortunately, you know, it is what it is. Yeah, so I'm sorry, bro. Anyway, yeah. So I said, let me come. Ngana kacha. Bari kujamala kita to kuya jamal fighter jang mol. And the last six months so covering December coming down. Stuff, all kinds of accusations, you know, levied at people. Men na manan Kenyan particular mengo is unprecedented. So abe kekang mule nyakasi kukinu kadabana. Every time abe file kang, let's look. So it got to a point, you know, in the last 2 days or 3 days with some commentators that I named on my post, but today Kajal Bekelele and addressing some of the issues. But they Facebook Live and then you know, and then said some things that are not so bara photo that platform, so it's befitting, you know, the same platform kotenke nganyo kacha nenga cool bu nyokon ya faham la menkata nying si prolongoti saying we have to treat this matter along nying nyima nyin treat e kanyum bula ka nyefer akana ko kuleti altuna manon kunnola si mol sin mol ke fendi manke menti ka mol tumi kula imanyane tumi la menna ka mol non di memman ka mol nonite ni ma kele e ma ko nyin nakasa e ma ko nyi dimba fa sina wajabi bari keta ke wolati say mol be jibela ko laki wala mundi trabele so wala mundi ken kadin ten wota kala jang be ñoo respect la nga ñoo buña momre lafta mena yake politiko la karola mo la haji dije bayito ko tibe sela la sela la kan pour que ite la sela la be kala mo kallo mol kan ka mol tumi ka mol ke mo ndolde ka mol ke mo furulde o fanata tamala jang ni bela politiko le ko mo use yela smartness use yela cool ke ye mol kol ite la be kala nyame bar fata mol la ka fay ba mo la non de la ka mo sla ni mo la ka mo la credibility du ñoko no prité tambi wota kenobe wala be kuru kan yimbat yoko no safo kabirin December kule mango kukutolam ndol kon ajala we don't know these things yimbat yoko patiola internal fanko nyin in kamol si kanyi kanyo datil mo ka fetum travel solo taninte because just because ina e kule alla jerinya la fatata kudola o musa en sain kulet sai wala non ko nyin fatata nyin lebuloto adi amu siata awuro siata albiya mo janne wati ko tan kare ben ku manel be kilo nyola jang so kuma da ko bi ngana ngany ku nyaany nga treat as a whole matter mal kudi ye dakar kuti je même mo mente nga fo nyo biya sene abi bon doto sila jang mule la do ko ke pour ka ko kon tolel ta kan to ke jam mo furolde ka mol ke travel sol ka fo de pour ite la hajola ko kala jan ni men ka jik wala alon ko wode e fanene ne ka nte mo bula la woyo ka jang sai ngo alenga sa ngani ko fu jibe nyen tribe ko nyi kam me futa nyi fenketen mun tuma la nyi commencer don dola impati ko tanja kantum kabana nsa fa ngasamba atulum fang kabirin 20 nsa fa 2013 14 15 during the struggle okay patiobe tamaka molbe kelolla molbe kuol ke kan ni ya jamme ke jam mole la kodo bondi mole la life of sacrifice hanzo la exile molbe kata Gambia kuol keta you understand muna mu tumindi ka fay ko ñemu travel solet 2013 na jan 2014 mona moy 2015 mona moy fa ya jamme ta jan 2016 2017 nduma ñem moy na patio ko 2018 na mana ñem moy 2019 na mana ñem moy 2020 2021 22 for 23 jang ko start ka fenker modul have some it's noble to have ambitions ita bla ko patio betala jela mo betala jitan moma ambitions to be anything no that's not realistic it's politics mo wona jama jaba ko no mo jaba ko no they want something not all of them kabri yim patio la ko molbe kala fungo jang 2020 jolu 29 everything 2090 2006 whatever people are doing but nobody's here patido ga fonyo ko dum travel solde obuta men dole muya trigger so until fatala world I want to start from there what actually triggered this whole thing munen the genesis of all this downward kan tu nyima so don jang grabe during mo la ko le bu na poso ko mena time beska benna video lo kelambe ko kelambe ko lo kida lato lalbe gele fen gele jana mo mo travel sunde grabe during kelobe do ko be sa do ko sita pour ka fu ka kuke kada du bulo ko na kada campagne do lato ye ndema nga travel so fo bi so ndebe alba mo la nte alba nte mo la jam bakel because nta ko ma fo na ram fana senende bari nte fana nte sila jang mo ka ku kan sibla ram manya sila da manin kan ke fende manke men ndema ko modi ko den sifati de ha yemen ko senda bala jang ka nundi ka tinya ka ko la kan nya sanyi tan sabani fen la wo ta ya fo dawda mul ba fa ha dinin be wuri ya fla karola ya to beti ya jang mo be sira ba jibe la ma ngi taman ko dindi o jamana bandal jamana o take no la jang mu neketa ndanga mu neke mo le ñin kelo be ke jang mo le ñin fen ke jang sa in 2023 sita rek 2023 la ñi ende December jang rek ko be jaasi dañu ko mo le ka si ñete ko ite ko itene mo do ñala alla jeña man kele rek ite mu travel solde atole o be woko ñala ñadi how can that work mbi particularly ida ma dije ina mo jur mo le bije mo do la fa manjal do ma la fa monsieur mo nani lulu be fa yudi fi ko wolbe de on potential presidential candidates doing they are not hiding it that much they have ambitions it's okay monsieur da mama kan mo de fam ko la sikese manjal yudi be ko no we have 5 or 6 different make you can name them today they are potential good candidates but nobody wol ko je ndema moje men kan yin ta ite purite fenke nyimme ite man da ko nyindo tala because man killing we are different people ajel Mulla cool man killing. But sa nyindo konta man nyindo fang na nyindo la cool man fangin tela rek ndela fa nyindo la rek. Then you see somebody come at you and trying to say we are doing it because of tribe. So if I say I don't like Rohilo, or I don't like, let's say, Lamin Sane, I know these are all people that are potential people that might be interested in the flag bearership. So if I don't agree with maybe Lamin Sane, there's things about him that I probably don't like. There's things about Rohilo that I might not like. There's things about Ahmad Sana that I may, okay, maybe he's good, but he's not. These are discussions we can have. But anytime, Itako, I don't know, this is the other candidate that you like, oh, you want maybe Dabo to continue because of, we have our reasons. If I want Dabo to continue, I can come and say, this is why I need him to be there. And one time I had a talk with Yaya Menteng. He called me when I was in Dubai. I left him, we had a talk, and I told him, this is why I think I need Dabo here. And I gave him tangible reasons, one by one, why I need him there. It was nothing to do with tribe or color or, your heritage. That doesn't even cross my mind. I spent my whole life in America. I see people, who they are, what they bring to the table. That's all. But it started around this place. What is it? I don't know, it was in December. I was in Dubai. There was a tour. There was a tour that was organized. It was organized. It was a national organizing committee tour, because normally we are used to certain ways, Normally, you got told double told things. So obviously, when you hear there's an organizing committee, bam, and then people raise some questions. I remember, I think one if I raised a question, you could see maybe he didn't know. He was not in the loop, know all the details of what happened, and there was a poor communication, which the party actually admitted to that. Party it could have been communicated better. Since the time they took the decision to go for this national tour, they should have come out and said, okay, yes, we are going on a tour, this date, this is the reason why we are going. But that's how my brain works. If you're going on a tour as an adult, as a patio, you need to tell me in advance, you budget carrying all that, blah, 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 you know, the reason you message in advance. Let's say we were in the time of the grounded trade time. Your messaging has to be around that end, and then you come back and report to the party. We went, this is what we saw, this places our weaknesses, we are gaining strength here. You come back, you report to the party. This is how I think we should operate. There was none of that. And then Wandifa made a comment trying to question what was happening with the whole tour, what is the reason behind it, blah, blah, blah. And then a whole executive member of the party came out. Instead of addressing the boy, telling him, okay, maybe you are misunderstanding this, blah, blah, this was happening, this is why we're doing this, he just came out, ram. This is not about tribe. Injected tribalism right into a genuine question. Why? Why do we have to go that route? Why didn't you throw the tribalism thing at Wandifa when he was fighting for the party 3, 4, 5, 6 years ago? He built that platform, UDP Bandaba with Safe Sadili. Two of them, their money and their resource. You enjoyed all that platform. Today you call him a tribalist. Well, you throw that word at him. You make a tribe quote. And I had to step in. Because I don't play with that kind of stuff. Yeah, well, look, why you are a whole executive member. This guy asked you a simple question. Come and tell him you were not there, we were in the executive, this is what we talked about. Executive for this is sonority. They said answer the question and let it go. But bang, this is not about tribe. I couldn't stand it. I'm like, dude, you don't do that. Don't talk about tribe here. Because you guys, this route you want to take, anybody who questions anything remotely close to the person that you want to be the flag bearer, whatever, leadership, whatever, any remote criticism or even a question or a genuine disagreement with that person, immediately what comes out of your head as an executive member of the United Democratic Party, boom, tribalism. That is dangerous. I'm not going to be in that kind of party. Nope. Nobody's going to hold us prisoners here. There will be no ayatollahs. There will be no demigods. UDP was never a demigod party. Keme Sanjamme, Amadou Sane, Mamadou Sane, Lamin Diba, Ousainou Darboe, they have disagreements, bitter ones. There was no demigod. They respected each other to the max, but they were never demigods. Never. We are not going to create one now. Let that go. Don't even think about that. So you have this person in the party, anybody that says anything slightly, remotely critical, or even questioning, whatever, that should be a no-go. What are you grooming? Another Yajama? That chapter is closed. We have to treat each other. Okay? Everybody has a say. At the end of the day, whoever prevails, prevails. But you are not going to shut anybody down here because of tribal stigma. I made it clear that day that you cannot continue like this. We are not going to yield to you. If this is going to be your modus operandi, that's what I said. I said, if you want, take a hat and put it on my head like this. Say tribalism here. I'll walk with it proudly in Serakunda. I have no qualms about being called a tribalist. Zero. Because I know who Abubakar Siddiqui Jammeh is. I know my background. I know where I came from. I am everything. I touch every tribe. You'll be shocked. Some of you in history file young, I don't understand. Ndele jahasita mobile young. The Bama me and Bama Sunsi Jolalam. Mama was born in Biam. Mama half part of the family. You understand? I told him, Mama half of the family is almost what? They are like in Jagos, Manjago in Jolalam. The first community, you know, I'm saying, I'm mixed everywhere. So you cannot pin me down. You cannot put me in a box. It's impossible. Don't even try it. And this idea that it is fun for Jared, many in idea man or slightly critical of it. Even if we say yes, we don't want this. It's all right. There are 5 other people in the UDP. Yeah. So how does that make me a tribalist? So again, I'll go back to the question. What triggered this? How come we didn't hear this? 2006, 2005, 2021, 2027, 2026. Why? Sorry, 2016, 2017. Why now? Na history bekono ñin problème na mananke jang. So yesterday, now I come back to, I go to the why I even came up with this topic. I am trying very hard, or I want to make it very clear that I'm not here to attack Nakoroke, Bamamas, and then the people that say so delays and things like that. Bamamas went on this Facebook Live. And I don't know what triggered him. Just started going crazy. Salamin, I'm very sorry. I really don't want to. This is not a personal issue. I don't know what you're listening to. Not a personal issue for Kanja. I'm talking about a chronic issue that is related to our party. If you're not comfortable listening to my life, we have been, interacting for a very long time. I don't think you should be doing this, please. So if you're not comfortable, you can just log out, please. Yeah, I don't want this distraction, please. Okay? Thank you. Anyway, so we, Bama Mas went on a tirade, talking about Mandinka dinu Kurubalol. Mandinka dinu Kurubalol, when you patio, or when you promo Coscan, you Mandinka dinu Kurubalol. Basically, you go Kumunisol, Niabla Balea. Mandinka dinu Kurubalol. Menekafako. I wrote it down here. And then what makes it really, really sad? Man nekka dun kulubalol wala be nyim patio kelaten bari mbe stop lale mbe kelaten so bil nga tabe kulubalia genola. We had a lot of things that happened here towards our party Fanko. Guys, let me one second, let me turn this thing down. Sorry. Sorry guys, I had to turn off the TV, it was a bit loud. So what was I saying? Okay, so he came up with this line that manika dum kulubalol, the manika dum kulubalol. Many pajokono wala la fakelating, you know, attending guy named I don't know Tunko, I can't remember the name again. And you know, so going really, and this coming from somebody, man, who he's been in this party for a long time. He shouldn't be the one, you know, who's propagating this kind of ideas. But what is really sad about that specific part? Well, if we in the trigger, another party member of ours, Kafa Aminata Ba Fulo. He called that lady. The lady wasn't aware that come here called her. According to the later on in the audio, you can hear the lady saying, "Oh, Malon come be online level, come be on live." You know, that's even unethical. You don't do that. And he went on a tirade talking about Minikafako. Minikafako. Ito ba fala kon tol mala fi fulo la jang. Tol mala fi fulo la. Hajal. Minikafon tol mala fi fulo la jang. Mala fi fulo la jang. Nga patriot anka busi kayela molu. This is his words. So I sat there and I started connecting the dots from that December episode of, you know, until down to what he's saying now. It's been going on for a long time. Every time he says something, somebody will come and interject, driving it. Any kind of disagreement, and I can't even remember what happened this time. Many for trigger to the point that you're gonna sit there and call people Mandika Dum Kulubalul, and then saying Dominica Foko, you don't party you. You can go and listen to the audio, but I wrote it here verbatim. Dominica Foko, the Patiokono, Dominica Foko, Dolman Fulola. Dolman Fulola. Who? I'm asking Bama Mas, and I'm asking you, the UDP people that are listening now. When have you, Mundumalatila Mwe Moko UDP Domala Fulola? Alava. Can you come sort of balibaka and katanokata, kala mulk patio kan, kala individual kan? Life, Obita Mu will be Jalamini Wellamel. This is shocking. Minikafu Patiokono, in Abijala, I'm writing it down here. Ntromalafi, Minikaf and Tromalafi Fulola Yang. Who? Bamba Manikata. What is wrong with him? Why do you have to say anything like that? Kunun Bondang Ramsey Dia Kandela Jankoli. She went to MPP. Amala Memfola. Amalong Fentabula Simen Samba MPP ya. Kumutabula Simenfo. Taraja Kweko. E can dedicate a quick discriminated. Mulka item Libani sold. But Masfreda. Nabe Sapajan. And I'll tell you Lama. Ko. Meneka Fakon Tolman Lafi Fulola Jang. Aminata. This is why I be India Mother. Because ni water more of way. Why didn't you interject right away after Honey Bamba? Can I info? But you said ha, you have a lead on. Then he went Kafako, many Kafako, Fangating, Kafam Sim, Bepatio Busalan, Kayamul Bulling, Abusu Kayamul Bulu. Manana, Walana, Mulka for 10 from Golte, you didn't Kurbalol, many Kafako, and told them in patriot. The audience there. Why would he say, you didn't call the Kafako? Malefulo and Pationia. Then Akoha, Aminataba, for it and full returning, Aminatabanang went with that line of thought. Saying go and therefore disappointed, no more dominant young with high esteem, say will therefore disappointed. But let's be fair nga fair ñoy jang nga tonya fo ñoy Sénégal set wala nga ko jang bi tana bala jana bi ha so this same Aminata Bah, not anything with Aminata Bah right now, but I'm just trying to put a picture. Plus, I understand how dangerous this is. Somebody sitting there lunatically telling you, go, you didn't go like, Molbi Jamaica for Malay Fulola. It be sitting gay. You don't do that. The same Aminata Bah, UDP call him. How many years have UDP? Mole Abunya UDP. Atara dawda bunya si diala atara bengo bento any congress atara je bunya si diala anara gambe jang ni mul bendo bunya de mal bari motem na ben jana during the general elections the campaign we are together. What have she seen there that showed her go mul mala fulola the same Aminata Bah kotanke ala brother bakiling fakiling Musaba, he's my friend. I went to school with him from grade 12 to grade 7 7 to 12 Nusrat. I know him very, very well. Nta mami Aminata Bah fongola. Wala brother ngolon kende gal. Ntola kata school fombe school bang. Ya ke jang councilor on the UDP ticket. Aganya da la kunda fu yiringa ngamel something like that. La kunda ward or yiringa ward something like that. Aganya da. On the UDP ticket. Manana maida no ko malay fulo at that time. Why? The same time, there was some kind of thing at MP and KMC, some scandal, whatever happened, accusations of whatever, corruption, whatever it is. It was all over the media, Panderia, I think, Labeto, it was all over the news. Who came to his defense? Musaba. We did. Ndol, kotank. Nga niyo la nga lunga nga nunda Facebook oto nga kulke fa ko nyim dimba fat. So if Bamba tell you that kind of stuff, you also as a responsible adult within UDP should be like no. Kana ofaja. Ramzia just said the same thing a few weeks ago in State House. So they've completely forgotten about all that. They've basically all the principles have gone out of the window because now your focus is different. The focus has shifted. Focus shifter 2020 ending kana 2024 kono. Falum keta. Ala trigger point ko damaneti. Sunas ning flag bearer ko nata. Karla fa that was it. There's no other explanation. Maybe no intend rap no nyomuta manyala manal dumati mbejang mbena koditino bandila mbengana nafulu bandi ngana gelel ke jang campaign ko fo mbena fala dak nobody mam fem moy jang kafa karami de karman keten karman travel zone hani ke be sanjola jamano ya ke jene fo ya bang namana moy munaka say what changed say mbaro yiri ben ko diamal aka même foten ko ndoko malhe fulol la manika dum kulubalol manika dindin kulubalol anyim be for is irresponsible diamo. Then another keba ko tanke même mo kono keba ko tanke in the media sew sedili fana wulta tara programme fun ko wala ba ma biye programme ha wi lañu very very lañu was very timely, which means ñi be kono. This is something they're inhibiting. They could even see or apply wisdom, simple wisdom, that this is inflammatory. You don't use this kind of language. All the intellect has gone out the window. Endorsing something you wouldn't even want to be proud to be associated with. But I'll be hammering the Malkan Sidiki in Dol, maybe Lorale, Alablato Miamanko, Almalafala. So it doesn't matter. Whatever you throw at them is fine. What I'm telling you, Ndamanko didn't. This is what I want to make very, very, very clear. You may be Nila, Anyini, if I mulla. I need it. Ha, Anyini, respect Kokono, Yakrina Yakanyam. Other be young, ha, dinin Kulubalo. Bila Rebe Kulubala address. I'm not often for young. I talk about the Kulubala police. Bilang Atobe Kulubala police address la Kodi. Fine. Birin Tarajang Congress Jang. Janjambure ya amade sane kokole je amade sane kilo di numéro la kokole jang fa kumbor mam moje men kulbala ko ne wota amola sira jale usenu munda jang ha yeyenata yellaneta kereden ha baba ji penkete live kala kube kala la jang dinul sita ye ku ye mun bala sifa be la jurma kan jang mam moje men ko alinyin tatuno al kulbala bula kulbala man ko ne wota amola mole Michael Tajane bi live kan 24/7 baba teng baba ji baba keren hana pengeram pirim para kulbala sifa be foro jang ya amadu san ya lami mane mu janne ka faja jang ya lami mane mu janne ka faja jang ha ko malo mane kata alfana amnon kulbala jawr nara jang ko de ko amadu san ha mo audit fankeram pirim param kam mo alfa baya jang almon kulbala diam ko so bilam kulbala yam fi dilo breta atu ko Bila you feel like you need to address Koulibaly. Wherever you, if you have this much inhibited in you, typical Koulibaly police, muna ne bira be kala alfa Allah, muna ne imanda ya yo condemn. So ndol men ko condemn, ndol men ko counter, ndol men kan lo ka fa ko wote kala jang. Yimbe menyilang me mo be anyini kayro kono anin kulu kono na times lo ngamel lan ko 2026 ngada congress member kare yake ya kaja e bang mini bo advocate kan e ko right now so na party leader is a flag bearer for now 2026 aleta je mini ko fo sa wala kare kasoti Gambia muntu mala ko kare kasoti when has that become a taboo to say ko Hussein is my party leader until time we see ngobelo la jang hani na congress Spain alo de jaka usone jibi aka fa ko ha ji tayo man si folo ay mo la democratic principle be fayana ay na result ay be front Koulibaly ya sifa be ke daji atrebe sire da be dere tak ala ando stupid you think we are done Mr. Cisse, I am please begging you, please. Niemwela. Imuna kebalti malafika futa la nite. I am begging you. Alnga nyohram. Please. Okay? I think this is the last time begging for please. Ala kaya ni trigger ni funkata ko bura fela. Alnga nyobunya, please. Ha, I'm being very methodical. Benna kachala mena diamul kansang. You kept going, I addressed it, you kept going. Ni benyin na ta fumule menikake. Al namana ndam problem 20 kabin 2070 whatever 20 whatever ibel nama kanja ina manang si ko kan yamare menika ke tawole ali afole please baldan anyway so this is it the problem bijang nyanta ni address la because ke bal ben kono jan yenyu kuma sifal moy atolle folo nyanta wulali yafum ñing ñi mambere ya sedili nyanta bamba masku mandala bamba ha biye menke de ha imanya ni kuma sifa fala hana kuri ngi dina wala ni wala be do wala dunu tenen ten karab e ka fo lem man di kading fonkolti Koulibaly ni fonde you don't do that kind of words and then ironically he himself nada ka fon kol ka mo keba Koulibaly ha ndefo ndelo Koulibaly ngakela fon retire say ndelo Koulibaly fon fera who become keba is gonna sit there and talk about himself as a mo Koulibaly but you want to tell us that dole man ka dim Koulibaly ñu man ka doya wala jang inda si wara kudet anida like I said nde si yama jang most likely men nakiri balal so nte buga sima bo sama kana style but même fanante kenola wala ka nyati lim mola ka fete bola basically ite bokela mo furu wolti prete tam fanante kenola ni la fa politique wala let's use our brains nga dia molia si men confusion na company ni men dem confusion kana umula affaire but you cannot use this word this tribe this stigma kamodo tenkonde ha ite kare folo ni kare folo ite tribal soldi ha so what is this? You understand? We cannot continue like this. First in your bunya abinu kulu kan par kabri nyim problème stara jam moy no jam mo be gara tere soti ni ko nguk ko dem travel sol wata la man no la jam nga to nya fo ñede hani in ko takel like I said, I don't want to go too personal with them. Being coming alive down, I'm not gonna go with them person to person because it's not a personal issue. But what's more important, well, I'm understanding the genesis, the reason why this mentality is existing, is why what we need to all understand. You depend on be. Na nyomuta bulfulo la. Nyinko nyomuto te kenola fani yakan. Abekela mule tonya kan. Mobile understand it in the right way. Immersive amune intriga. Comme nga fanya mandara no jang. Sanji killing command fa. Science in last 6 months, 7 months, 8 months problem wala yindi. Adna mwa fa yidi bin ko be nyokele kan man nyokele jang. Nobody's fighting anybody here. It's just one people need yamata ye level. And then it became a taboo to say Hussein is our leader until 2026. And that is what is going to happen at Kelo Nyama. You mentor 2026. You ganya raje. Falhamd. Ni yim fagara mobe college around you. We go. There's no rebellion here. But itako mol wata kela jang. Nimme yo fo. Nimme ko Hussein is our party leader. Then you go straight away. Ballistic on them. Accusing them. Ibe fangol bonda. Ibe mol killer. You know, this idea of Kamulki, being Dofodol, Jola Jada, some of these people, I can't even name their names. I'm too really done with these people. I just, before Kile, you know, young post, character and stick better than the Americans who think all this nonsense just create mulla mind building your because you just want to create confusion. You cannot function in a normal, calm environment. Talk to the people. You want this flag bearer thing right. So you have at the bureau in Manjai, and now they are correct. One thing I also say here, but also until this 22 years of whatever Nimola Diamoja, there's never, ever, one time, I was speech Mendi, Lumina Karafa winter. Now Lumina Karafa winter jana tulum allo campaign manager positioning, Yemenka Manjai bureau. After the election, I remember for Jay, man fella lamela. Ako kuma furul meneka fo banta meneka fo ko mandin ko sino la jang tenin teng ako kuma kuntan sifal saya abretal kono janne say yudi bidul fo kanyum fo ako fa ko alta alita en kumol ali bay he mentioned ako karafa baral fala winter thing. Now you go organize yourself and then go and dispel this kind of rumor, this kind of thought process ka fo ko mandin ko kino da ko nalio fo ako yakumba jare fe sirin jang. What chance does he have? What chance does he have? He named few names that are Maninkas, competent people. Ako so naling idea ning tara ha so do talk fi blah 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 magara nga tra sa nga kayal mo kay tenin ting. That's not how you choose a party leader. That's not how you choose a flag bearer. You don't choose flag bearers by being a bigot. You let it open. Whoever merits it, yeah, merit. But it be flag bearer. It tell a calculation of behind your back. Justification for your move is to say maniko to kino jang ha da nyoli fen ha da nyaga li fen da ni enke je wala wata ganyalo adu wala fadule. So Hussein reminded them that Allah Nyingkwe is dangerous because you are basically killing the chances of other people that are sitting here that are equally qualified. If that thought process is tried and tested, guys, one second, let me turn this.
Is hosting a mega marathon as part of activities marking the Sunny Yam Festival. Professionals
I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. So yeah, you know, the Dabo made it very clear that at that point that Allah's speech was significant because he has never spoken like that, and I felt really, really bad for him. He held the mic. He told them, "Ako kuma kuntawal mulka mi ho bandal because I be focused on bandale for the past year plus." Wow, so long jele kira no live nina now. You don't choose your flag bearer because of tribe. No, that should never be your bedrock. It should be competence. What can you do for the people? So better off way, you know, some of the people now you are elected to your campaign manager position. Go and try to talk to the people and dispel these rumors. But what triggered Bausenu to get to that point? What triggered him? Because of this nonsense diamo that was brewing within the party. Ine ha diamonde. Kebala mati akakumumwele. Albedering tangala albedering kansankela. No. He knows all this kurukara membe sada all these plottings. I really feel sorry for him because I didn't find like a film. People like us will do that, but he cannot. So that day he basically went and told them. Hanu ni idea mambano. I when you foul, when you left, Teya apply. Go and apply. 2026, later in Congress, whatever it is, Central Committee meetings, and then decide. Whatever you come up with, mashallah. Moye yeah, sometimes or whatever, that's what the party decides, and then you move. I understand now. Roman si follow Mute Mulaja. Nite etafo. Nito ni mokotang, ite kotang, you will. Dol Budun say Meneka go unity. Let me address that too. Because I think that also need to be addressed. Mr. Mohammed, don't worry about that one. It's okay. I'm very disappointed, but fine. Shit happens. Anyway, let's look out. Let's now address this situation because I think I wrote it down here. The issue of unity. If Mombren and Talon, you will know ko nteta kila mode mem be fem pigla or fem practice UDP member UDP Taylor. Where would I go? Tell me. This is all we have. This is all we have. Yeah, family. So where are we gonna go? We have nowhere else to go. This is it. So you don't expect people like us to come here and sow division or whatever it is. So when they say, yes, you are causing disunity, unity in the party, this is exactly what we are advocating for. This is, like I said, that after being Karafalo, he took the mic. This is exactly what he was saying. What's going to unite the party? That let's not use this this word of communication, this tribe cannot win the election, that kind of metrics. This is false. And then he opened the door to apply if you want. What can be more unifying than that? What can be more unifying than that? When Kacha Bandel, that day, Kacha Bandel. Okay, but you sit there and then any slight word that you said about Hussein Dabo, because I was watching. Sometimes I'll go on Facebook, I'll just say Baba, Baba is a Baba, whatever, 2026, Of course, 2026 is where we're gonna go to Congress. But immediately you say that somebody's gonna go behind and start insulting you. Now they're paying all these small boys. I don't know what they're giving them, but they're out there. I don't see them. I block all of them. All these noisemakers, these crazy people out there, they are there. Sometimes like, oh, somebody will send me a mobile skin search and look what somebody's. I'm like, I really don't. I don't want to see that. I block them. So they just come after you. I don't know what I I've never had any issues with Talib. Last time I met him at the Banjo Brikama when they came for their Funkonye, our West Coast Funko, you would, if the camera was on them, they'll be shocked. I have nothing against the man. Zero personal stuff. I came here 2026. I worked with him. He was a national organizing secretary, of course. I have to like help out a little bit because I spend most of my time in the upcountry. I spend very little time, in the area here. Okay, so we barely interacted. But we, once in a while, they need stuff. We call each other, brainstorm, and that was it. After the elections. Everybody went their way, and that was it. So, but to make this issue like it's a personal issue between me and Talib, because I heard even today somebody say, "Why don't you appreciate Talib? How come you don't like Talib?" Because there's a problem in this country. Every issue is personalized. It comes down to personal issues. You talk about GRA, somebody will come and personalize it. I got that. Because his brother worked there or uncle works there, whatever. You talk about GBOS, somebody will take it his own personal issue. Because he either works there or the father works there or the brother works there. You talk about tourism, somebody's going to come and personalize it. You talk about NAVEC. Everything you touch in this country, there is an issue of national interest, somebody will take it and personalize it. You don't know how to separate people's functionalities and then the realities of their normal lives. So immediately they make it personal. I remember I had a conversation with Yaya Menteng. He's my guy. I know him a long time ago, not a medal. When I was in Dubai, he called me because they was confused about why I questioned that whole whatever with when the fellow issued with the tour, the first tour. So he called me. Yeah, boy, I'm gonna get that boy. Talib is a cool guy, I wish you know him. Guy, hey, what do you mean I wish I know him? Guy, I spend time with him. Guy, why are you guys thinking this about Talib? Why? Yeah. Guy, be very careful. Guy, but what is your guy? Guy, you guys are much more closer than I am. Yeah, if I can recall this, not because he's a living witness. I don't put people's names that are not living. I put living witnesses. And I gave him an advice. Be very careful. Me jawara tinya. Aya jambe tinya. Ay baro tinya. Nka fo talibia kitu bake. Kana fana tinya. Nka wala mundi. Gamelo la sasa. Nka wala mundi. Kumane njela la sasa. Kumane njela la. Mo man ko ni be bala. Mo baka tonya fo ni be bala de kimu ko alandimu. Ni go jump, ni go see, ni go put. Nka o sifal, be very careful. Nka jawara kurule ya kala bira ko parama tijara be burta. Ya jame kurte ya bira ko pami be yemanda. Nka baro fana fele sai banu. Nka fele ya fana destroy basically. Yanata balo no lumena be masiable wala balo no terrible. Nka ko so ni mo sifal. Walkatara mo influence no bala rek ila document somanda tribula. Fania fo anin kadama la fila kadi bugula ki daf la lefin hajala ki daf la ni kirikara no yeah Menteng is my guy, this is a full conversation that I have with him. It's a telephone call, but I was warning him against this kind of poisonous people. Ngai la doko be mente kadama la fila ki bugula ki daf la hate ki daf am ulterior motive ni na ngai then they'll confuse you. I don't care how good you are. If you don't careful with this surroundings of people, this gang, they'll confuse you. The thing that worked well with Bausi and Yola time. One second, please. Sorry, guys. Somebody was kept turning on the TV. Yes. So I gave him a how do you call it, an advice to be very careful of this kind of characters. Mavo mu keba bad or pardon or anything like that, but ale financial fenala. Kabiri nima nde meda nyum politiko kono bakela mfama ngata na binyala. I was born ndina na mai ben samala mai altuko na mfama jibe in prison. Abada je struggle ngaw long for fati ko this whole time. So hada madingo when it comes to politics gambino la jiko kamansa dekeya katra mol bala menanko de people of influence ngai ko ngalo bakela nga sudi junale nga jele nga livele since when I was a baby. So I see things that a lot of regular people don't see early. So wallahi ni ya telephone to kay ko dukari ya dani talib adiya monde e ka fa minimal enmity minimal la fara mol jele mi babal wala do ko molde nalo duma jele but I know hani ko ngek say bugut la. Even simple advice you want to give him, you're not going to be able to get through, because not all advice are on a silver platter. Some advices are a little bit thorny, they're a little bit bitter. Yes, but you got to be, as a leader, you got to be strong to take them. But they build this shield around you. It will come where Sidiki Budla. I'm going to start a conjure of your hide, and I hate Talib, and I hate Talib. And I'm like, how? Dude, I don't even think about these kind of things. So, bit of my work, now they say you are a tribalist. Kulubalo. Namanika dun Kulubalo. Molbe call killer, line auto. Men yanaka condemn. You hear somebody say that kind of thing about your brothers. Caution them. Like, look, this is not the kind of language you want to use. But you double down on that, talking about, blah, 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 and people calling in, when they find a problem in party, so Bill problem. So I'll do a little bit of something that I've probably never done here. I'll be saying Lamway, Namana, but B, Mbafala Barry could be in term problem. You made a fellow in forum came with the attendant, Sidicalam Kara, Sidicalam, you want to find a problem. Ajala, so in my head, like, when have I become a problem? So year 2001. I was 21. 2001. Ben menokolo kila American kaka party helping campaign. I was not a problem. 2004, 5, when Nad came to America. People Nad from Golono, but also, Pabil Nadaje trying to form a coalition. Mole essential bond border Tennessee, Atlanta, but Labio to Puntum Panda. Nakodo. Umaka problem with 2006. Katefayo. Rumo Wodoka Woody, Wolman Tama for Lobijan. Nkakuro Kina, Ike Capejo Kalika, Gregeles Burundal. So I'm not a problem. Not a yellow particular be ban. Astafulai, Homale, Nadundala, so Yajame Homala, Deputy Befinger. They went back to elections again by election in Baba Job. Ajal. In Baba Job and that kind of Funkoni, whatever. The by-election. I remember the election 2006 very, 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 very vividly. Gele Dama for that election at that time for the Funko. It was almost $67,000. Something with that kind of more $28, I think 28, 29 months. When the Korean, you understand? Ubi Karajan 2011 election. Ubi Maka problem. Struggle on her. Puntum Pandam, Mota, all these problems. Kodo Betila, Kurubula, Nico call Mole Kodoban, Urumo go for me the caring. Facebook take care in Sagoshida go for me. Kadosano in Facebook Sano of Mazda. The Malako Kodoban. The Bugadiamud? Modu Hani Vilitang, Kidam Bonishita, Patti leader, AC, and tell them in Atalota. You understand? ndimo ko musiba, but sometimes for some remain demanding 2070 sira janne ba falal bit bi abe fala janne 2070 sira janne bi 2070 sita manja biro jio ya kundu kuron ya kundu for years yen call one of our boys ndato fala jang fonya ni yoku yata 2017 albe masakunda watumo I took my money, I paid all that bills, not be clear. But water, kurang for years. Alamando on tafalali. Na di nok money, you depend on Akudo at a bejo. Korekela Manaka Sirinje, Bira bejo for an clear every month, $3,700, $75 Nkolokiai, Purila below. Kurang in Geo, Purumalafi, Tokia, and then I would have put it. Didn't Tulana money when Naman can know the no timody, and in Medica Sibiro that I have sent that way. Bira Baus and Manafula Quaco are Kekulaki. I'm not surprised. Alamana Mangase, Alamana Mangafo, but be a full of the battle for Sialan. Ha. The more regular more make Alcamenta like a pin panta. What a killer. Biro, I don't know for below Bajulaji. Manga problem mode. Bilang get a problem mode. Bija Kotange. Kedo Bija, if I'm not prison and if I'm not toffle, if I'm not prison, what more fresh. At a little bit bureau, I take a mother bureau, so I'm a MPP. That toffle. I bought a prison, I better take a bureau control, I take a cool be control, Manon Sugro, I take a digul, din saba, a better prison, in a caramot yard. 3 kids, full year, caramo, I beg joy. Uniform, books, everything. I joy. Dinol be chop. A soul makalamata, be life number, Alakana Baraj, but in I resetted a bracken long. But a young me tendal so the birota rasi birota. Akay and Della Natalota. Mulla Kuliol, Sajul. You be doing. Can you put on your sutra? But I be caring. Bemansa Kunda, who wouldn't take a stress like. Because the stigma is there, in the government. I'll be thinking more than baby Fatu. Baby Fatu farmer, but I think that Facebook. I complained, I'm all Malunijan. Kobe Masakunda Makama with anything. All these people, modern Gomyon, the Menyate, Philip Prison, Wakabarina Romolo. Mulim Dunta Menajang, Romolo. You think what is all about just political campaign? What are the people, how about the people that are left behind? Family tool. I think like what I can. Ha. Ube kerajan. Mula karamul tiada. Dole university. Mula haju. Biar follow. Ya jangan aku masang kabin 2001. Maka 2001 ko fali. Ro modo me la ko inarabe tala hani janning banjul. Yo, baby Aisha. Fandanya la ngame kerinja. Mo ka tru menna. Yem mo jatra serial asalam hono ko ma ko no sala. Aka ka sia ka ketel faja. Ba fule tra itan travel. Bilan tam travel so. Bi. Wallahi billahi takala. Nda malla mola, nda nyaaji be mola. Murantal fala ja ite lo ndo kunha ikay ko de la fenede. Atakala ja. Nga ñoo buña ha jaro to fala la ni sane ci koron chairman ala first time be lola chairman yalla atalo wilu no mo boy fanya nyala I don't know who's la ni sane the man sanyu mo ndama na I don't know people. All these things coming for them. Ma namanan trajang. I don't know these people. All this help coming for them. Meje malong fa ko defon for them na haji dije. E ko jam fon ko fanan. What do you call again? You go phone me what fala. Ngo bulaje ali wakam tajan. fengo fana voter registration kata voter carte fe pour que bon register ngoy wala set up a command center me alango wala be kala every voting area every voting station register la naka monitor every day je la sotata je every day nyum polling station kare nyina sotata je nga record asamo nyina sotata bar anytime yena number tampa anytime you hani doto bondi je asamo so man e balonna nganyum plan be la jang nimmolo combat fon la judi pidu kebalda ko be ko do heleje time sita yi botan ko nganna ko do ban wili tang anel lulo ngaadi dinola ñom modo fana donut fanko la ñi smartphone la mana ba nga fenki 15,000 just set up that prietara je ka do mo rokala bo so meñe dañ ñu ko waron la ka mesoko every day they are monitoring ila funu bi jele aga be njala I even set up a command center hotline ngon number be set up o number talo funu malo sa credit call wili tangane lulu mo la ko la ka do mo rodi pour ala kali ala comfortable one the whole year kono the whole month alkana stress back ñu ndawal ko ni problem la electricity just monitoring polling stations making sure number right la ñi bara so man day ko 500 o so jang fano ke data polling station ay nekala 501 late if you see 590 then you know 90 was put in that last night ñu nga gëna ñew ñu wuro bandal do mbir wala wala kalon ko e signalé ya amakato by that very day e pare ba ya be force ni bu jang o do ko yafas amanaki robe ndama nga travel soride bi la mo travel soride bi alkasi alko jala ka jala wala alko encourage mo ko gal ga fa ñenen problème modi alko encourage you think I'm going to sit here and ndako tango accept never mamma la mola ke batiji mensen sondu wala so ñu membi je ya din kanyum be sata na mana ñinke bari ñu gambe ko bakel ha sañ jël mbejan sañ fula sañ sa ban ko bay ha sañ mbejan na mo lo bakel ha ila attention span is very very short so nte man ta kero mo sifat ha pabil ene kala yelo dunya betinya usun da men ko gambe di wala ka ben 1981 alota mo wili fula ñu fenne ke be friendi from treason mi dara banjul jang usun da be moment do ma ko banjul kala business so safe kala ko dal safe ñi mene sembo jaay kan ay luwe for free bi ka xana jono bi ko la nañ jambi ka karikacho men ka karikacho wal fañol ni afa usune men ke wala jambi ajibe men ka nambi wallahi billahi ni usune sida bi al fañol la pour fe al boni men kon al be al pijesibo ha gambe la bo ñama baranka ko al yemen ngem fañol al to kiran dolla never so nimbita ko Cairo nimbita ko patue unity soto mor jang mes unity kala kata mintet but unity on what foundation? The foundation of kebala to nyaming ngata nyama bawsen lota janne kada fala gagner our speed men di wala should have been the case close of every class so bara ko modi mo banta sanjo teta soronda ka stop la so they expect people like us to just sit there and watch and it's very easy nyimpat yo nyimaka fa dafa divided nte bu ko for fonta because look ngajel ko ndol manke fente nte who am I to divide this party ndol ndari mbonyol ndol nyimpat yo chaxana ma nyimpat yo lo nyimpat yo tata la mo le bida yindu jang ndol be badi am tan solo ndol be we are nothing mbadi ndo de ka fa ba parti yo be tela ten fente tela jang alal hakilo sabatinde mbal dani ka wala ko birin kana life mo jama en ko la mbe dewrene mbe keteten ko nyi manke dew kuti to nyaale be sabatila mo be alo men nyanda kala nga yo bunya nga nyin si fatan fansi dia mo bonni kono yimmen ko carrément kata man la fi kara nte metra fi no nyola bari nyin ko mal la fi la ama min tam trabale solte ali ngo establish western a set kal dañu ma establish jang ata beta la moto jang mo de kala jam ngoy falitat jang hani nga ñoo buña ñi ngi konteni la ideal manta ni la ideal manta ila ko nga na ko you understand it's very simple ramanjari kasi jang ka ñoo tumi kula imanke men so ko fen ko is as serious as tribalism ajala o manke kuti. You know, and then using a platform, mulbe kolla, you know. No. So now I feel like I should come here, and then coming out and you be clear. Once you get it out of the way, say move along, nyina land remain men cross la. Can nalmo foundation set. Mina sila ko ngo ha unity nga fonda la ko ta ngasi ko ta next 2 months tak mode dia mu atela ko ne itela ko manta tabi ka itam travel sort. Ibe nyum fala ko so travel sim. We can da wala mundi yena for 2026 let's say katina la fay talib man na soto wala do na da soto même ka talib men konto manke ben so de wala be fala travel sim mo tan joñ ko aka fola day na mbamo kana sa de ko ya ande be jana say mo ko ben sa de kam hay yendo la ñol talib hay man ma xam na so say I'm like okay what's hell fala yam that's where you tell a level about fine. I'm not even gonna waste my time trying to talk to somebody like that, but this perception is there. And it's like a blackmailing tactic. You know? You understand? Like a blackmailing tactic. So we just work with in harmony. I've been in Bunya. Bunya kilo ngam for the past 7-10 years. No continue. But don't resort to tribalism. Ni ko tare kata bandal defana ndo ala because men kata ndeta sila jang mol ke doro mol ko jang hani patio ayelata le patio kono fanda jana mo be ko tan patio kono oncle singo nyaas ñul fa jang you know ibu mane yo hena ñentolo bende camera mejo ibu pa oncle ibu ta ñol you know Zainab Diab ñin naje camera atele ngulu hani Ramzia janayta hani sa fa hana tara ñam fa nani benta e camera atele ngulu aka ñafule abe encourage la wala di ba wada ñol you know je Paul ñol mo be ñim pati ko ñebe la ko la nde wulu da ngan duma ñim fa duma ci rajo oncle féminin ala frère pa mbota njaay ñol ndanga ñene je ba ñu kalante ak ko dan dama olon de olon is strange to me, is very funny ñi nga moy mbuka understand no e when say bande ko ha ignore mene ka fa ignore. Let me tell you something. Alma men faham this is not about come you are matured or not matured. You are very careful here. Ning jamano nyamanke 2060. This is not 1996. This is now. We are in the age of what? Mass media. You don't ignore poison. You go after poison, you neutralize poison. That's what you do. You defend dof ni jang. You go to ignore. Aje mengo sen dabal. Every Tom, Dick and Harry Kai was in Hayo Pabe Monet, Baros 3 years of course soon. Kunun Nindo, Karanta Humuda for the day. Alcarma Jamfa. Immediately, Nan dialect, I Bausino, Momone, I Subaro to get of course, Subo, Ionian. Okay, bro. Okay, can you reference me that interview that where Usini said that? His guy's a lawyer. woman hana long found interview for sunni for damning. May I interview Omar Wali? He didn't even know. Okay, so Omar Wali mo interview. Okay, Omar Wali mo interview. Okay, fan la won. Amo fan phone. Okay, kiram la. Okay, lan mo hewon. Be interview bu so mo am. Nga samba school. Okay, yana nga yuhu. Sa yen do lan jël sen time at ngeen fayna tuti. Use your intelligence da nga janga. Okay, lan okay, what was the context? Okay, da nga fa Ousainou fa tok rek. Ne wow, Barrow couldn't ever watch the force. You just came out of that. You think that's guy as intelligent as you are, do you think that's what happened? But I'm telling you the danger of this mass communication. Gambian okum I'm very sorry. Pray big nyamani very easily. So do you know what happened? Okay, let me explain to you what happened. The context. That week, that time, OJ, dem si yalla ko yalla xare aljana. Nga ko mo waxon dara fekka mi ngi amon problème affaire fertilizer bi. ñu ko yene ci government bi. Ngi mer. Dem wax ay kaddu bu demé né Ousainou naka Barrow dafa wacc 3 years ni pam. Out of anger and frustration of what was happening to him at that time. Nga ko coincidentally ñu don interview Ousainou ko jima Omar Wala fam Ousainou they have this from Gobela, so Ousainou was trying to explain that Meneka Fo. Who was that? He was referring to his rival OJ, who made those incendiary comments about Barrow because he was frustrated about something. Even though later on OJ changed and became Barrow. It's politics sometimes. People flip. Ousainou was responding to something. And he said, because there's no legal basis, of course, for the 3-year prior 5 years in constitutional deal. So the legal basis was a problem. Ousainou was trying to explain this. You understand? So, but the guy didn't understand these things, and this is what the danger of media and communication, mass communication, can do to you if you're not careful. We didn't do a very, very good job in trying to handle that information. Sorry, that part of it. God drilled down to people like it was not what she meant. He didn't say, wow, he has a free pass, that was not what happened. But that's the perception out there. That's what they tell me. And I have to sit them down, calm them down. Okay, bro, no, how do I explain that? I have to take my time. If they are lucky enough, if I'm lucky enough for them to give me a listening ear, I'll explain to them the context and how it all happened. But normally I don't have that time. They don't give me that time. They just boy, Balaji boy, your baby boy. And it's painful. Because I'm like, this guy is deluded. But I cannot get to him because mass media has already corrupted his mind. So you sit and tell me, you ignore Biden, you'll be the bigger person fee. You sit here before, in 2 years or in 2 months' time, anytime you say Boka Jame, see the elephant, Talib hater, tribalist. That's it. That's the main goal. You label me, you tempt me, boom, destroy. I'm not the type who, honey, that cannot happen. So, you want to cage people, you want to lock them in, you want to aleko a kulubala. But kulubala nyanda bayla tamo menna, atul bika kulubala bayo tamo. Wala krasolola kulubala jela tamala you want to koreja. Kabin Congress. Mo jela na raje malabala kumulo fo jang. Wala ba Ousainou ha ko da sendi fengata in the window there's no proof that Ousainou na ko da fon apply. Yuri bidul ko si jang platform wala ba fala baba ji baba sabare prim param ñin ko takelle. Where was this kulbala diamo? You man ka din kulbala adiamo le watumo. Ana ma fo ñing fengen kulbala. Why didn't that happen? They went after Amadou Sane. They went after Dr. Laye Mane. You are still sitting here. Not a word. So where is your kulbala diamo? Where is your fight Kulubali ay stop nyum parti ko wini bel alfa nena be parti li dan kumula falay diko sani her ha ji hangadan ha sabari budum hangadan hela do ko ngajele ba sani sabari bam 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 bum bum when you are clearly told time man si follow bari alman kulubala joda but now your favorite person whatever your ayatollah that you trying to create in UDP or anything that has come close to that boom kulubali ya manika dinu kulubalu tribalist wata kila jang asibolande nako kairo sabati lu woni nyinkana repeat jang every day will be stop la al mol bunya al mo respect kairo sabati al ko peace al ko unity unity kanade unity kalo fanya kan unity kalo tonya la kan barke ba ko to kasi kam mol muta platform wala mo la ko ha tenin mal keleten ba keleten tretin who are you so I hear these words reserve energy for MPP da fanketan kirkanga be kala kilinde la eventually bara to nya sabarita modo ñu ñaka jaka ba men ka fo fulo de kala fulo mala fulo en pati kon afala jang na safel he said it men ka fo ko ndol mala fulo en pati kon ñu fana ba pala defa am disappointed in some people ngam ngoddo mutano hay fan ko disappointed okay. Well, you might disappoint when you needed us. So you find unity a little bit. Face the reality, fix it, then move on. I don't operate like that. I recognize issues, I talk about issues, we move. I'll give you reference. 2017 October, first meeting of the Barrow Youth Movement. First meeting of the Barrow. I'll give an example. Yala nyanya nka example is fasa manajang. Pro alkala kilo sambuan. Ndoka nyina bakela. Gambino nka nyina juna. Right now, you can wait for more 2017 reference. But I'll give you back. Kanya be Buffalo MPP. Started. Party make MPP. Nya Buffalo be MPP. MPP started mentor. Where did it begin? Karum Baroma Sirek 2017 Kare Fai abe UDP ay Sirek akwa sa mbotala party kono la beta siyana ngana party from UDP MPP ha yalo manke. It was a gradual process. Nya jenka nyum fojang nyum fanini unity akamen course ngol faale ja ndema bala unity la hani bare fanini yalo bula 2017 October ndeko da New York. I met Barrow there 2017 September 23rd up to the 26th. Well, UNG8. Morajam flight back to Seattle. Okay. October, the middle of October, I don't know October, and the middle of Forum, the first meeting of the Barrow Youth Movement. I get Usen Dabala Koda Bunda Dumaje for la Parisian camera. Me Facebook nga yena taba finjira parampara ko computer be kering. Ngandara lo zoom ngaji nga Facebook cross ngi jibe nga nte tour for the bari bijela bi mu yiri bi dum wala de ni cross ko e ko ha ni mu Barrow Youth Movement le de Barrow pour Barrow Youth ka Barrow semaine ko Barrow semaine ya ko mala famde ngo because we have a youth wing. We have a youth wing. Pamale Singunyasi wala deputy Lamin Cham president. So atu mfone nkelet alkala fa youth wala semaine Barrow le semaine ya muna biye mengena forta youth wing yati na youth wing ntola jana parera pour que Barrow defend ntol sival you know and funny somebody is correct men kan fa fa jana wala ka fonde ko CDL Coalition Defense League e kan tonya wala mfana nga fa diaspora solusa jima pa mo le fa mako kumol dol bi jewla kan ko kan dela fa sai e kon telan deficit tele ka mol tele kereta wol wudu mol ka fonde ko CDL coalition defense league ikan tonyo wala to man ndio la jang to ni mo la keleta ni mo kontu na ferenol babu jo ñol Pamour Diop ñol ni be kontu baro ko wala defending sai ko baro ju ko yalla man yullo jang ko na yudi ngo fel alta la join ali dogo pamale ke dogo so sa o buka active la min chambe state house sai alta le leadership ta ali patio bambani ali baro sembentu ya ko no ara fa ngina man tra so bela ngo jong biri or ya yalo ite ma understand ngo ente ma understand te ngo alka fa tele ma understand ngo ya tele ma understand ndangala na keden yalo erika kam fa junal ite ma understand nyum bur baro fu ngol ndol be mu kilol te be mu ngo yam be kil di jang dara kilin jang kiliya banda jang ngo albe men ngalo alafta nyi tali ali itali ta patiolo birin ngo fu inna lillahi astaghfirullah patilo ngo akata wala ngo yimbe kala ko baro youth movement astaghfirullah green boys ena bo green boys ay ta munde ay ta ke nyi nyamade groupe fat ana ke patiolo ngari bol kala jang ni Sonkara jana pirim pana ngadol block aso sunga radio jana bob kere jana ngere para ngol fanke ngol cut off dia mo ngere param pana biye baro yu fat mo sa kulo sang sama na chairman ole you understand ya sama chairman ole mo sang ya di chairman ole ko ke mo conference di bulo kono ya star kanyum women gardenol fonstein baro yu star ka dum be sire be jibela ko yalla wula le diam yu baro yu ko ala fay ko ndol manke UDP astaghfirullah e manke UDP we have no affiliation with the baro youth movement ni man fence ho melon senene ko yalla tal yofo parti yo yofo yalla yani yalla kana fenke ñinga baro fadi baro fati baro la foundation lo do fanan kan ni jambi o sita ko mo kan o fo jang akata ni fati baro to mi tere malade tele ben sukiri wala be ñin andi atene wala ne baba masbe diam ka fo maneke ni kurbalol ate ko fatu baro o mata tere malade mo kan al foundation ko pem na nga block na ko ero kabri 2017 nga block wala kam fa bol do la xana say wala bol ju sonu ko e kan deji yo ñama say but for about matter from quality and kay ñinte personal kuti I'll stop personalizing everything ini mo relationship o matina banko la interest yo fay ñama kon ngomo jidi banko la de han say ko wala ka kan den mbi ngastar ko ma jam pirmbe ko nya yalla ite fama ambassador di yalla ite fama be ambassador yalla so ite ñim ko wala ni je yalla ite ma ite de ko ngande ko intele ambassador yalla ko ndema nga ambassadeur mbama wala ambassadeur nte kam men fo ngalon ngoy nyinkata dami nar la bankula ay bankula dinko kono janne ay na ke jambe promote inal be bay man sakunda hay na astaghfirullah kana fo jahe astaghfirullah prim param e kon dala nyamato di stale ko le minem ibe mol ko la ibe safela dumala hay dey e keda tay kana fenke kana nyin sabe the same people men ko rumo fane kon da nyamato 2017 kana iko ufana ikonte mu sirana multi ndemala unity la fo boy be mo sefala dum la fa la fo boy let's know our principal stars dealing government ikana nyima na mole masakuna ran sai ikana nyima let's not fankela mbuke dango nya fo le wolo ngata nga bu sekende ke beri badari da but at that time also I was the bad guy. I was a crazy guy. I was the member of the unity. One time, Father Bare Kodota, allo 28 million or whatever. More fende ko Father Kodore, UDP will finish the Gafa Kodota. Obey Yama Dave Kiran, ning support for corruption and support because of Patio. Tamanko was fatted. Nanakelo Kaje for bring Ibe Yalta. Luminate the course I could dip. I could dip. Ibe clear wala dunya ko ñepaj kajabanda baningo baru yu na turo fanu kabin 2017 the first become yalo sign dambi ndahata ñu kadu baraman fisoto kudu gambe dum ñama ko kata party lo against UDP ja at that time 2017 2018 nobody but ay neno ñama na morbuta kana nyoma unity. So you see, false unity. But unity. Unity. It's over. This guy is gone. I cannot wait. La ilaha cannot. Bemu kirolti. Halinga nyomuda. Ngoy nyomuda ja. Ala nyomuda je. I kept going. I kept hammering. I remember Abuka Jarolo first trokola, first container I ship. Kabunyan San Manning, until I revealed, until I told one. Ya Africel Fanam fine Yen, Pura Africel fine, Primparam, Kudu, Karo Infana, until Fanam Bunja. We are going after them. The back and Benzapelodum, high, Bulutala, high, yellow, Yellow Masakunda, Latinite. You will and Calico, you false sense of unity. Now be unite, I'll unite Tonyakan. I'll Tonya Sabadindi. Ale nyomota kan baraka to kasi ka poli ko be kering bala firo be kering aga for unity the unite la eventually bari ibiga unite tara loro mo tonkan iba fala travel so iba fala tenten iba blackmail la na dem day kay te mu unite pour way day iko wala unity that can never happen. Probably you understand it. You make a fan town the young. I'll town there bula at a walkler. Kavoy mal falti mukebadi, mendere buffalo is will bring facts, will bring your history. It meant you come for Nicolo Menela inconsistent Babila product and the money. But Bibi Senela set. You look at the Kulubala Biola, Manacadino will look Kulata. It is a season of Mula Alpha Nenajan. Didn't know that I mulled Alpha Murajan, K. Fajafajanka, Kubekan, Ha G, Ketang, Pirimperon, Kafunko Lekan, High Kodalata, I get an Ayinta. Huh? I'm a Findaco Mukubalo. I'll tell you, Malak. So, I'm not easy target. I'm never going to be anybody's easy target. You understand that from now? Yeah. I would send out if I'm a son. Ha, thank you. But because we battle learning so-called idea, word, so we'll become double G idea. We become mad. We move on never is fine. But the line money manakala. Innocent people, I'll be no matter. I'll hold that jabila. Baba Kata, Baba G, Baba Nina, na. Mana na tulo yung kubala yama man do time wala sa mo la fi sor kalma hay wala bari wol kany mum ha so on tole mun de easy prayers easy targets ina liba bim bin be sire be jibe like some dead fish no alo bunda ko ron ha so nyene be je time wota da bake bi ñinan ko mote binala ko tanke kacal be kala ñin kaca saying case close and move on from this until another episode happens again. We address it again accordingly. Mina kacal kila janne ko ben kakano nyami takala fama ko tanke ku jawala be nyanya dafa lemba ko ku jawanya dada ha mo nyande ku jawala fanan kala mutala mo go time for certain because of this distraction, but we are coming back. But coming out nyami it's not a distraction. Amanke distraction ni ma ko wonyen kersan ya ko wonyen trop fa abe wajabila le mul bamra la nyin sikeno idea la ya ke idea la ni yo establish ko ta keno wal jang ko tanke mo resila je kam mol neng wala kam mol ta ke tumi kule manke mendi because ni man jeri kelo ni bela politiko ke ni la fela flag bera te ya safe ko laftale e kewde ye wuli ye da ta dindi ta saba yesi ye du wulo ko no yaf mbolen tele laftale ni ma dila falhamd ni ya dila falhamd mbebule no khalas bari yen dugu ko daga be kare kile be kare fengre kare be findal mo len la be rek la jang ni yake na kare jang aka bodame mamurun lawol so ñing fengre yalla nga fo ko en nga fa sacrifice nga fa delo be siatu be non dubai ka ko lonte am ready atul si atul ya fanka tuba bodi fine nte be fang sacrifice jalla na de dalen tokuya ale na fo dumna kon tam nte travel ñal ñi level ko badan ko me badan wol mom melanke me fallo ndangam fallo ni konte ite mu ñete na haji je bari même fana media wala ka social media use ka fanial ani kuma manake man soto ke kena manne yande pour mo sa understand very important how fona be kelal yes yes so beño makolele kuma kendole na jang inshallah na bota nyinna you'll do more talks ha kunya be kay mbam ko meñada tinyara me meñada kela na ñew hena na ñew be tinyara bada be tinyara na poro hena na poro e faka ha poro be faka economy be betakan Senegal is killing us na courant ngongo fala jan tajala we are in deep problems beñada discourse la jan but we need focus, we need no distractions. You may left ambition or pursue in any way possible that you can. Nobody's denying you that. I can't see Lola. If you use use ni ala mende ala udila. Fatam mo la siol ma al mol bula kamen tonye. Al tonye no al yudi bi tonye bula. Sanji mo won njolal be ñu maklo tenkan jang kamol nondi atakila jang pa bi le mentan dol tata la. Dol de dari man kelen yalla ko faale ñu sunu ñew ko lema mudale ndol ba sunu yemen tol wena ko na duda yeen lebul mbelebul ha and I bring evidence ka jige fane afol ma ramse bring ko prepare ofindira way audio bon apologize to ko di yo mundu wala ba ma mes apologize la thank you Jojo Mbisu lila waxon fi man ñun duñ dara ñun we cannot destroy this party ñun ndolnde ñu pat yo kuliya ba dawle pero mo kenso ka si jang ajele you know ka bu ka dekalo nit ñi fiñ dekk lolu modul am fi kuy politique nga def sa politique ñi mela fay la fla bera tita ñi ni demal nga out amal fit nga jog nga ne li la buga ya xam 2026 leta di ñu la ñi jañam bu jañam wara o basse ñi meata yaata suma yon ne ko ci yeah, but anytime anybody say what about something like you're labeled as a tribalist. No difficult. What I cannot judge. So more hakilo bondoka. From B, na focus. Let's focus Tonyakan. Let's Japante Tonyakan. By this false sense of unity wa neka bena. Ha. You know, neka bena nina na feka atrebe ni calendar sifel. What I cannot judge. Ni be nekal ben da nga nekal ben ci deggu gëna deggu al bi toña fa la ali tra ñoka dal mo ko la mo jëla jana ha man nekal dum kurbalol tanen tan ke ba ko rakasi ko fu jang wadata janat wo ni me ak jang ko tanke se ku gën wada mala fa janam 2020 dum mo diamu tan hani parwe mo la ko man jana tanke tan da aka woro wala je wata kala kan wala sta yolo ke bir nga mëna ko jar rek simple statement. I was just talking about what happened, party, you know, whatever. You know, all these things, you know, election night, our lessons from what we should learn from it. Pin batara mbole pabia. Nduma korek. Kamole mol fo ñokan. Kana musene ba kan sana ba usene ya. You know, obviously ke alfa lamati, obviously. Ha. Abe mon fala fo mbe nga ñol nga ñol na standard na haji. Bara jarto la ba. You cannot face me man to man. You go and hide behind somebody there. See? You wanna ask. So unity can only come to Nyaka and in Bunya kilo nga mentraja. Mo continue nga nyo Bunya. Let's stop calling each other names, labeling each other titles or tags that are unpleasant. Ñenante la diamude di wolen si jang man naka kolta man naka nyo sabajang. Mbaga join la kolto mbaga join la fonkolto la life volt. Kila ko fa yele ye seje ni yento din manaka din non nyam fa diara so mo sita amma kana Allah anybody come here ko na ko fa jakam men senende ngam tala fo ye taf ngam men fa be senata nimme ya fa kotanke nga fa kotanke nimme ya fa kotanke nga fa kotanke nimme ko fingala fanan sa fa itam menti sa ñinam ndutan dut bem je tak mo be tele hajol nar ko kayro sabati alfana ide alfa ramulla ñun ko malaf karal isma ra malafala pray flag beret ñito ko laftala ila raita taita biroto itala flagol tejje ya xam mo me stop wala pa ñi nganta fo don't call me a tribalist don't mo sabati rek kacha bam so from now on ngola expect na violated rek we come back again same thing ha fo jalan 2026 yalla ham ala la mi make so wala manjere ko la jam ko ne kam kana mbaden jam ko jamala jam so over so we just fe misu guys, it's a pleasure coming. Anna is late in Europe right now. America for now will be in the daytime, so they are fine. Thank you for your listening. I really wanted to get this off my chest. I hope Karamo Karajan. I hope Model Fane could understand Jen. I hope moving on. Being happy to Nyota. Nanyobunya, in Keba Korakel Bay, more clearly than the Minane promotion. Ni call kasikale ni advising ka bulale ibe chow bieda mali call mela kolta e ko be nafana line no I'm not accepting it. I have a reason for it. Ñu koy banja nga understand, we move on. Now unite as one. We look forward to 2026. Araba be boron ala masukunda menna nga expose nga mol hakilo blandi medna they need to be out of office. Ñu ripe ma harje yetambe bara benim kulo kan kana ñoo kajaf na gala talib la we have to vote for him, we have to campaign for him. Nten talib ñina benta atu fonta understand la alba bala ñino atu ka wonte this not the kind of boy wala nan kay hakilo ñu ko man jëlala mi ka tay barka be kar bugul la wala ka moti ñaja. He's a nice boy be jëlala smile rek. I love the boy. Dara fam nothing against him. Nang ala soto akata kairo kono akata kulo kono ima humo e mutrabalist solde ata na fota fana ma soto. Don't go and tell people we are tribalists. You fana ngara jam bo fana ngela fa sapat jam. We are ready for all the scenarios ndeka bi kakulon ko jan. Every scenario we are ready for it. What happened to Pabil 1997 ke level jang ke fenti manke mendi wala be banda jang. Thank you so much for your time. Bye-bye.